So a digital asset is something that is connected to your business, usually not physically. So it could be anything which is a marketing asset, such as an Instagram account. It could also be your website. They are the footholds into your business. People see them, they interact with them. The way that you manage the interactions ultimately plays a great force in how successful your marketing and outreach efforts are. So the first thing you have to do is understand exactly what you guys own, what have you got, and understand, right, do you actually own that asset? You know, you may find that if you've worked with a previous marketing agency, for example, if they've set anything up for you like a Facebook pixel, that data actually belongs to that third party, and therefore the asset does as well. So it's supremely important that you understand exactly what you own, because they have tangible value, and if you were to lose them, then it'd be a pretty big deal. A well-performing digital asset in an ecosystem of other well-performing digital assets allows you to really knuckle down on elements of growing your business. So for example, if you know that you're fully compliant, you've got all the data, you've got a collection of email addresses, and you've got a really strong social presence on Instagram and Facebook, then you're going to be in a really strong position to troubleshoot any times you might need to pivot. You know, it's not likely to be your digital assets. Your messaging is probably clear enough to go, actually, maybe we need to change a call to action, maybe we need to shift up the copy, because we actually know that everything else is solid. So it gives you a really strong grounding to test and to grow.